Hi there, what's up? We're still cooking some really tasty stuff. Today we will do pancakes by Ukrainian style from cottage cheese. So basically it's really high protein stuff, and this one's really dry. So should be about 20-30% of protein up here. So basically I separate from whey already. I just put it here. Well, you can drink it. I'll boil it already. And for stick it well, we will mix it with eggs. It's really dry, as you see. So you can mix it with a double cream or any dried fruits or whatever, eat like that, like super healthy. But after 1 month's time, you want to change something. I wouldn't say the pancakes it will be the healthiest stuff possible. It's not really healthy if we will cook on a pan, what I will do now, because in this place we don't have an oven, unfortunately, but much better to make it in oven and it will be like more or less healthy. But I've done a lot of video for lose weight, different kind of healthy stuff, but what about people who want to gain weight? So probably we will do a few the recipes in the next videos for people who want to gain weight. So something semi-healthy, let's say. Maybe a little bit of fast carbs and some with a high calories food. Okay, so we mix it up, we add a bit eggs. Usually people add sugar. I will not add anything. We'll try to make healthy as possible, and then you can eat it with a jam or honey or whatever, or classic style. It can be double cream or sorrel cream or whatever. Also it will be quite sticky, so we use a little bit of flour. Yeah. I didn't find the natural flour, so I took everything not available in the market, but yeah, it's not that good stuff. So much better take a natural flour, usually quite dark, brown, whatever. Initially you can add some cinnamon, anise or vanilla or any other ingredients to make it smell just brilliant. And we can add a little bit of sodium bicarbonate and a little bit of salt too. But basically it's optional. So the longest thing, we just need to get the cottage cheese. All other processes quite quick. In a few minutes it will be ready on pan. In the classic style, people add flour to the our cottage cheese. It looks something like that. So when you add flour, it gets more sticky, more easy to cook. But I want to try to cook it without the flour. So I just stick together by flour up here. And you can try add some protein powder if you want to. The best one, pea or peanuts or soy protein powder, it stick all of the mass quite well. Okay, we'll get ready until it gets hot and start shortly. Okay, let's try to cook it without adding any flour. Let's see how it will be. But usually by classic style we need to add any wheat flour or get sticky. Otherwise it will break some pieces. But I like to make different kind of experiments with food. So let's see if it's possible to cook without it. Initially we can put it here, like a little bit on top. So I make small pieces for make it cook quicker and easier. But basically you can put it in the oven, you make it whole and make kind of super healthy cheesecake. Yeah, optionally we can add some sesame seeds or whatever else you like. So sodium make it grow, so you make like really tiny layer, this will grow. Then it's cooked really quick, I think 1 minute, and after you can change the side. I put about 120 degrees. I don't know if it's enough or not. Let's see. Well, what can I say? We succeed the experiment, so basically it's possible to cook without the flour. So basically, first of all, I saw just put a little bit flour for not stick it, but basically it's fine. And yeah, we use coconut oil, or you can use sunflower oil, any other kind of flour or oil. It's really cool if you can find like cold press oil. Like last time we used peanut cold press oil. Usually in India it's quite easy to find, a lot of mini shops where they just press it on your eyes and you see it like super natural. And yeah, you can add few eggs. So if you are not a vegan, it will be really suitable for you and looks amazing, smells amazing. But yeah, here is no sugar. Basically, you can make it salty. You can add the chili. You can eat it whatever you want. Usually in Russia or Ukraine, Moldova, whatever, we eat it with double cream or sour cream. And yeah, 1 minute on one side, another minute on another side, and it's ready. And we'll go to the next one. But still, if you cook it in the oven, well, way better. Let's check it out. Yeah, looks ready. Very quick, easy, but next time, yeah, we'll do it in the oven. So it depends how much cheese, cottage cheese you use. So here I have about 1 kg of cottage cheese. I put 2 eggs, but it was really dry. If it's not really dry, it will be too much liquid. It will be not really possible to cook it because everything just breaks on the pieces. So it depends how dry is your cottage cheese. Additionally, you can add, let's say, 3 eggs to be sure, so it will stick everything together. So I make small pieces with really tiny layer. I'm sorry, I do it on a pan. Usually I not do it, but well, sometimes I can make some experiments. And next time we'll do it in a proper way. So basically from 1 kg of cottage cheese you can have quite a lot of pancakes. Or you can make your own cool cheesecake, but with a high amount of protein and more healthy than you can buy it in the shop with a lot of sugar and carbs. So maybe some next video we can try do some. Alright, so we done spend about 15 minutes on all of the procedure and have quite cool stuff, really tasty for getting our way. By the way, if you're interested in some more cool recipe, you can make some notes. And yeah, stay tuned, later on will be more interesting healthy stuff for not only vegans and raw foodists and vegetarians, and for athletes in general, or for people who want to be healthy and have a delicious food at home. Make it by yourself.